Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today I'm going to show you some beads from the 90s. Now this isn't dated, but I know it's from the 90s. There's no date on it here, but it's this little bucket. Lisa Frank. Oh. But this thing has some really unique beads in it. And these are really fun on the handle. Super thick, chunky beads. Okay, it has this paper in here. I remember that they remade this bucket in like the 2000s. I want to say like 05 possibly, or 06, but it was larger than this. They had them at Meyer. I don't remember. I don't know if anyone remembers those, but they had the same type of handle. Different beads. There were some different beads inside too, but I know this one's from the 90s because it has these little animal heads. Those are old school. But here's the, oh, it even calls them chunky beads. That's probably why we were calling them chunky or chunky candy, fat candy, back in the day. That's a cute necklace. Look at those animal heads. Got all kinds of projects on here. Has some elastic string. It looks like it's seen better days over here. It's coming unraveled. So I don't think I'm going to take all of these out, but I have this over here so my beads don't fly around. But like, oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if you can tell. Here's a regular, here, let me put this down. Here's a regular size tri-bead, and then this one is huge. Like, I've seen big tri-beads, but this one takes it right here. Like, I know you probably can't tell on camera, but that is a thick tri-bead. I love that. I hope there's a bunch of those in there. I need a necklace out of these. Cute. Like, this is what makes Lisa Frank so fun. Like, the assortment of beads is on another level. So many different shapes, sizes, and colors. These little rings. You can hook those together for jewelry or just wear them. Oh yeah, I see some more of those tri-beads in there. These big ones. Gosh, why isn't anyone making these? We need these. I need these giant tri-beads. Those are really cute. Look at these. Whoops. They're just so, there's so many different beads in here. And then these are really cool. Oh no, I lost one. Big barrels. Those are cool. Man. I love seeing these. There's little ones. They have all different sizes. Okay, I'm probably not going to go through all of this, but we can do it. Spin around. And it's cool. This bucket here is glittery. You got some pony beads in there too. But, man, I don't know what's my favorite. There's so many good ones. Okay, guys. This is going to be a short video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time.